Hey guys, welcome to Pepperina's World. Look at what I have today. My package from Pattern Beauty. I'm so excited. Get ready. We're gonna open this bad boy up. It's been 5 days. I ordered it September 9th. Today's September 14th, so get ready. Okay. Oh, that was all wrong. Okay. I'm trying to make sure I don't cut too deep. So, we have the bubble wrap. Okay, I'm just being a weirdo. We have my receipt. Y'all don't need to see that. Well, it's kind of ripped, but there's the inside. So pretty. Okay, so we have like a little postcard from Tracee Ellis Ross. It's just saying a pattern is not just the way hair looks, it's the way it feels. We will meet your hair where it is and empower your curl pattern. We will give you access to your best curls in your own bathroom or somewhere else. We promise to nourish your hair and cherish your health, to keep your hair healthy and hydrated, juicy and joyful. May our hair live its best life. By purchasing Pattern products, you're helping to support organizations and programs that empower women and people of color. Learn more about patternbeauty.com. Thank you for shopping at patternbeauty.com. That's all it says. This is really cute. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna stop being a weirdo. So, let's go ahead and open it up. I hate to break it. Oh, poked my eye. So, here's the first thing. It is the microfiber towel. I was trying to line it up, okay guys, but yeah. So this is the microfiber towel. This is the hair clip. I was gonna call it something else. This is the hydrating shampoo. Like, my eyes were playing tricks on me. Let's see. Ooh. We got the shower brush. What would? Let's see what else. We have the jojoba oil. I mean serum, but I mean it's like oil basically. Let's see. The leave-in conditioner. Whoa, this mama is heavy. And the last one, because there's nothing else in the box. Okay, I probably shouldn't do that. We have the heavy conditioner for coilies. Bam. Okay, I just wanted to do that. But this is everything. Let me go through it once. Okay, sorry. I had to set this up so y'all could see it in the video. But the hair, why do I keep wanting to call it a scrunchie? The hair clip. I love the design with all the little twists and curls and the pattern. It's the pattern. So this is great for curlies, coilies, and tight textures. Embrace your gorgeous, rock your pattern. That's good stuff. Let's see if it can hold all this up. Oh yeah, it can. Because sometimes I have some clips that be tripping. So I was scared that was going to fall. The Pattern shower brush detangles and helps curls find each other. Of course, there's tape at the top. Why not? Great for coilies, curlies, and tight textures. when you need to tune into your curl frequency. Heavyweight yet gentle on hair, our shower brush is the secret tool to styling happy curls. Built with premium features and a comfortable handle design, detangling hair becomes effortless, curl patterns defined with ease. Sorry, I felt like hiccups. Keeping your texture juicy and joyful. Embrace your gorgeous, rock your pattern. Here's the brush. Oh, it is weighted. I didn't see the weight when I was getting it. I mean, when I was holding the box and this. But now that I'm holding it, yeah. You can lift weights while you brush your hair. Nah. But that's really cool. Okay. Sorry. I had to take the little thing off. Why do I have a problem? What is this called again? A clip, a hair clip. I don't know why I'm struggling to say hair clip. Okay. Now the jojoba oil hair serum moisturizer boost for hair and scalp. A little goes a long way. Apply a few drops to the palm of your hand and work the oil evenly into your hair. Can be used on wet or dry hair for adding moisture either onto its own or cocktail together with other pattern products. And then you can do it as a scalp treatment. Apply a few drops to the targeted areas around your head. Massage into your scalp. I want to see what it smells like. Like, I love smell good, but I might not be able to. Okay. All right. Okay. I'm not gonna be able to open that, but oh, it's coming. It's coming. Wait. Oh, that smells good, but I feel like I'm just wasting. I mean, I put very little. I don't want to waste my beautiful product. Ooh, it's like, is there peppermint? Safflower. Oh, that's jojoba. Rose seed, hydrangea. Oh, it's lavender that I'm smelling. That smells good. What should we do next? Because I'm scared. Let's get the microfiber towel. Microfiber towel guards your curls while they dry. And I'm probably making this video way too long, but I'm excited. Let me be faster. Ooh. Ooh, okay. It has a little pattern label. Oh, this is a good size. Oh, and it's like rounded off from this side. You can see the corners. And then the other side, the opposite, is squared off. That is so cool. Oh, I'm gonna drop everything. I see it happening like right now. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. Bam, now we're on the shampoo. I'm gonna try to be faster. I'm gonna stop reading everything. I wanna smell it. Sorry, I'm gonna wash my hair anyway. So, I'm a weirdo. It smells really fresh. I don't know. Yeah, it's a ton of ingredients. But, if you didn't know, this is paraben free, free of SLS, color safe, free of salicylic silicones, phosphate free, phthalate free, my bad. Anyway, and then formaldehyde free. So, good stuff in case you were wondering. Now let's do the heavy conditioner. Smell it, smell it, smell it. Oh, Jesus, that's a... Ooh. This one has a different smell than the shampoo. I like it. Look at that big opening. I don't know if y'all can see that. But, of course, you put the top on. But sometimes I struggle whenever, like, a curly girl's best friend is conditioner. And I mean, it should really be any woman with, like, hair. Anybody with hair, basically. Not just any woman, but you should love your conditioner. The last one that we're going to open, and then I will be on to my next video, is going to be, I don't know why I opened it up like it wasn't, of course it's sealed. Oh. Ooh. It kind of smells like bananas. And of course this has the big hole too, since it's a leave-in conditioner. She wants to make sure you get a good amount of the good stuff. But that's everything. I have no idea what else to say. All I can tell you guys is I will be doing a review in another video. I'm not going to do it right after this because I'm making this video entirely too long. But anyway, be on the lookout for how I like it, how it worked, what it felt like, all that good stuff. But as always, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.